what the final 2 fidget toys look like. And I'm actually very pleased with how these both turned out. I think I'm slowly getting better at making these. So first of all, here is the sun one. And I actually think I prefer this one a bit more compared to the other one, just because this one is a lot more neater, and also it was way more easier to make as well. And it makes a pretty good popping sound. Hopefully you can hear that. Yeah, it's a lot of fun to play with, and also I think the face on it is really adorable. And also, as you can see, I added on some little pink circles just using some more of the foam sheets just to create the blush on the face. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this one, and it was a lot more easier to make compared to the other one. There's that one, and then here's the second one, which is the watermelon slice. And I was originally inspired by someone on TikTok that did a fidget toy similar to this. However, I decided to do just like a triangle slice of watermelon, and then the person on TikTok did like a whole half of a watermelon. So I made mine slightly different. And also, I think they made theirs out of paper, and obviously I made mine out of foam sheets. But as you can see, there is quite a lot of glue that is visible on this because I used way too much glue for this one. Just because I wanted to make sure that the watermelon seeds were glued down really well, and I overdid it a bit too much with the glue. So unfortunately you can see quite a bit of the glue, which is annoying, but anyways, I still think this is pretty good. And it works pretty well, except it doesn't make a very good popping sound compared to this one, but still you can kind of hear it. And also, I know the back is quite ugly, but you can of course cover up this just using another piece of red foam, and then just cut out the circles for the seeds if you want to. But I decided to just leave that part out because I was lazy. So yeah, this one isn't the neatest thing ever, but still I think it's pretty good. And also, I did originally want to make a third fidget toy, but that one ended up failing miserably just because I couldn't really figure out how to make the actual popping parts for the fidget toy. So yeah, I'm gonna have to probably try that one again in like a part 2 or something. But yeah, I definitely want to make more of these because I want to get better at making these, of course. And they are very addicting to play with. I think this material worked out really well for these. Again, this is the material that I used. So they're called Eva sheets, but they're also called craft foam sheets. And I got these from a place called The Works for £2. And I originally saw someone on YouTube make a fidget toy using these. And I think her name, or their name, is Innova Crafts, I think. Sorry if I've said that wrong. But I saw them using these craft foam sheets to make the popping parts of the toy. So I really wanted to try that out. So I ended up buying some from The Works and then just trying it out for myself. And I think it worked out really well. But one thing I really need to remember is not to use too much glue, because the glue is very visible on it if you use too much. So I got to remember that for like next time, like not to use too much glue. Because I definitely overdid it for this. But I definitely want to make more using this material. I think I prefer this a lot more than paper, just because it has that a much more like softer surface, and also you don't have to tape it or anything. And also it's already coloured, so you don't have to colour it in, which is another bonus. But overall, I'm really pleased with these. And please let me know what you think of these in the comments below. And yep, that is it for this video. So yep, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. And again, please let me know what you think of these two fidget toys in the comments below. And again, I'm really pleased with how these both turned out. But again, this one is more of my favourite one. Just because, again, this one was a lot more simple to make, and also it's a lot neater as well. And I guess this can also be considered a 2-in-1 tutorial, because I basically did show you how to make both of these. Except I know I didn't talk, but still I did show you basically all the steps on how to make them. So please feel free to follow along if you want to make these yourself. But again, I definitely want to make more fidget toys using this material, just because I love the texture of it. It's really soft. And I feel like it's also just a little bit more sturdy compared to paper as well. So I definitely want to make more using these foam sheets. So please stay tuned for more videos like this coming soon. So yep, that is it for this video or tutorials. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and please stay tuned for hopefully more videos like this coming soon. And I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.